What's up guys, we're here at Johns Creek. We got a few things going on today. We have our 964 that we actually are prepping for the new buyer. Pretty sad to see it go, but we're happy to know that it's going to an enthusiast owner and they'll be enjoying it as much as we have. Next up, we have become very well known for these cars. This one came in with the check engine light, getting that checked out, and then we'll be back on for the owner. All right, next up, we actually just finished up an APR Stage 2. We did a lightened APR pulley. These 3.0Ts out of these S5s are probably one of the most potent engines Audi's made, obviously besides the 5-cylinder from the RS5. They take tunes very well. We love them, they sound amazing.
This Huracan Performance is in for an oil service and it's also in for an alignment. Hi guys, this is Marcel over the Charlotte Independence location. We're here today, we're servicing a Ferrari. Getting new tires, getting alignment for it. This car came originally equipped with Bridgestone Potenzas. The new is gonna be the Michelin Pilot Super Sport 4S's. It's gonna be stickier, nicer, longer lasting compound. We're also gonna give it a nice little stance, so we're gonna lower it a little bit while it's here.
Just wrapped up the alignment on this beautiful Ferrari California. Taking the test drive, verifying repairs. Very particular with these cars. Gotta make sure the camber and caster are straight, and the toesy, and the aggressiveness. You always want the alignment to be perfect.
The FRS came to us from another shop. When I diagnosed the vehicle, I noticed that the car didn't need the spherical joints. It needed a whole control arm. It was completely bent. So when I showed it to the customer, he was quite shocked that the previous shop didn't mention anything. 2.5 degrees of camber on the right, negative, and you have positive 0.2 on the left side. That should have been a red flag. We told him he needed one control arm, and then he decided himself that he wanted to upgrade completely and went to Buddy Club control arms. We did a semi-street, semi-performance track alignment. A little bit aggressive, but not too much where it's gonna destroy his tires. I think the customer's gonna be quite happy with that.
All right guys, just got back from Cars and Coffee. Some people say we need energy drinks, some people say we need coffee. Sometimes we just put in work.
Here we have the S8 that's getting the APR Stage 1 upgraded turbos, Turbo Smart upgraded blow valves, and the JHM oil line kits with the filters. It's very important. A lot of these motors, the V8 twin turbo Audi motors, have a problem with the clogged filters going to the turbos, which cause turbo failures.
From the S6 to the S7s to the RS7s, the A8s, and the S8 4-liter twin turbo engines. Very popular for the oil screens getting clogged up in the turbos, causing premature turbo failure.
We've taken off the turbos, got the original oil lines off. We're about 50% through this project. Another day on it, we'll be done, ready to roll.
I've been doing a lot of Porsche exhaust systems. We have tons of options for these cars if you just want a little bit of burble in your sound or if you want full race exhaust. You let us know and we'll make it happen for you.
How's it going guys? We're here at our new latest and greatest location here in the heart of Decatur Square. We're very excited to show it to you guys. Currently we're in the middle of our renovations and we cannot wait to show you guys the finished product. Currently right now, we're getting the floors redone. We're right across the street from Decatur High School, right in the middle of Decatur Square for your new neighborhood shop.